Welcome to the brief overview on the SOUTH SurvStar Android software. So one of the interesting features of the software is you can use it for GIS data capture. So if we come down to the GIS option, so the first thing to do is create a feature code library, for the data capture. So once you've set it up once, you never have to do it again, and you can copy it to multiple devices so everyone's using the same code library. So if we just come into here, so you can add so your feature types could be either points, polylines, or polygons, but I'm just going to show you a point feature now, how to create it. So we'll just call one called sign. So you can see if we come back out into our main manager, we've now got this one called sign. And if we go and edit it, we can now go and add to it some attributes. So we could say type. And we can decide what type of information it is. Numbers, text, whatever. I'm going to create a list, so I'm forcing someone to decide what type of sign it is. I'll say the default one is, say, a stop sign, but I'll give them options to select from, like a stop, give way, what else could we have? Stop sign, give way sign, taxi, maybe indicating a taxi stand. So you get the idea anyway. So you can just keep going through adding lots of attributes for the sign. You could say, what is the height of the sign, say? And we could say that's going to be a number. We could put a default heights of, say, I don't know, maybe 3 meters. And then we could either, again, create a list of options to choose from for height, or we could let the person key in what he believes the height to be. So again, you just keep going through building up your list of features with your attributes. And then when you're in the field, you walk up to, obviously, in this case, the sign, and you go and click on measure and choose what type of sign it is, and you measure it. We're not outside, but you go and tell it the type of sign it is, the height it is, and answer all the other attribute questions, and then you've recorded that feature. And of course, importing and exporting the data, we can do that through shape files. So we can come and import and export shape files for getting the data in and out of the software. So that's just a brief overview. So thanks for listening. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.